If you're self-employed, a 1099 earner, or a real estate investor, and you've been told you don't qualify by a lender without ever hearing the real reason why, this is going to be the most useful video you watch this year. How I've helped over 10,000 families navigate the mortgage maze and get approved for their dream homes without the headache of traditional banks, without the fear of tax write-offs ruining your chances, and without a single unnecessary credit pull. My name is Prosper Ngamkam. I'm a former mortgage underwriter, the person who actually signs off on the yes or no, and today I'm going to show you the underwriter's secret to getting approved when the big banks say no. And it's not just me. I've spent years refining a system that works for people who don't fit into a neat little W-2 box. Some of my clients were told for years that they'd never own a home because of how they filed their taxes. Take a look at these results. These aren't outliers. These are people just like you who are tired of the maybe and the will see from traditional lenders. Who is Prosper Ngamkam? I'm often called the approval strategist, but my background is what really matters for your mortgage. I didn't just start as a guy selling loans. I've been able to serve as a senior mortgage underwriter, the person who makes the final decision, act as a loan processor and loan officer assistant, seeing every side of the file, help over 10,000 families achieve the dream of homeownership, and maintain a 98% client satisfaction rate in an industry known for stress. I understand exactly how those decisions get made because for years I was the one making them. But not that long ago, things were completely different. I remember seeing files cross my desk as an underwriter. I'd see a self-employed business owner making $200,000 a year, but because their accountant was too good at their job, meaning they had a lot of write-offs, the bank software would flag them as unqualified. It broke my heart to deny people who were clearly successful just because they didn't have a pay stub from a corporation. I realized then that the system wasn't built for the dreamers, the builders, and the risk takers. It was built for employees. What changed for me is one day I came across a realization. The problem wasn't the borrowers. The problem was the presentation and the program choice. I discovered that if you analyze income before it hits the underwriter's desk, using the same logic the underwriter uses, you can find the path to yes that 99% of loan officers miss. Now, my life is dedicated to being the bridge between your complex financial life and the home you want to buy. I don't just submit applications, I strategize approvals. Let's talk about why most lenders fail you. Think of a traditional bank like a square hole. If you're a W-2 employee, you're a square peg. You fit perfectly. But if you're self-employed, an investor, or a 1099 earner, you're a star-shaped peg. The bank tries to hammer you into that square hole. When you don't fit, they don't change the hole, they just tell you that you're broken. What we do at WeCare Mortgage is different. We look at the guidelines that the big banks don't tell you about. Did you know there are specific programs designed only for people who use bank statements instead of tax returns? Or programs for investors that care more about the property's income than your personal income? The big banks are slow, we are precise. So here's what I want you to do next. Ready to find out exactly where you stand? Click the button below and you will answer 6 quick questions. It takes about 30 seconds. The moment you're done, you'll see your qualification score right there on the screen. I'm Prosper Ngamkam. Let's get you a straight answer finally.